YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Don1914 here to bring you another sneaker review. So for this review, I thought probably be a good idea for me to go ahead and step outside of my comfort zone and try something new. It's been slow in the sneaker game right now. We don't have releases dropping until I think starting next weekend. So right now it's kind of slow, and I figured what a perfect time to go ahead and try a new silhouette. Now, mind you, I've been in the game. I said this on my Instagram story. I've been in the game since the late 80s. 88 to be exact, and that's over 30 years. I've never owned this silhouette ever in my life. So shout out to Jay the Sneaker Guy. I saw a vlog that he did where he was in the store, showing this pair, and I like the shape, I like the way they look, I like the color block, and I was like, you know what, let me go ahead and step outside my comfort zone and go ahead and try something new. So that's what we're doing today. We're gonna have a unboxing of the shoe. Before we get started, if you're new to the channel, welcome. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Share the channel with anybody in your family, friends that are into fits and kicks. And my OGs, welcome back to the channel. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get to unboxing the shoe. Yeah, like I said, this is my first time ever owning this silhouette. So yeah, I'm eager to see what this shoe looks like in hand and on feet as well. Okay, now that we've got the box open, get that out the way. And yes, friends and family, viewers, new and old alike, I have picked up a pair of New Balances. So, all great box, New Balance box, nothing too special. It does read 740, so it's a 740 silhouette. This is an older model that they just retro and brought back with new colorways. And it does say on here unisex, size 10. I went with a men's 10. That's my true to size. And low tops, I normally go with a size 10. My true to size and everything else is a 10 and a half. So I'll go over size and tell you how that 10 fits. And it says US women's 11 and a half. So again, if you going for a women's size, you got to size up a size and a half. And for women's size down, size and a half. So here's what the color, and the color blocking is green, pink, vert rose. Lifestyle shoe, medium, U740EG2 is the style code on this box. So there it is right there. Hopefully that's coming in clear for you. Let's go ahead and got a flip lid. New Balance paper. Got the New Balance logo all over the paper. And here's the shoes. Yeah. This is a clean pair of shoes. There's nothing else in the box. You do got a QC stamp right there inside of your box. You can see. And that's pretty much how your pair should come. So that's enough of the box. Let's look at the shoes. So yes, 740 South Beach colorway, New Balance. I thought these were clean, man. Like I said, I love the shape on them. I loved everything about them when I seen them. And now that I got them in hand, yeah, these are fire, man. Definitely. I think I got some black laces. I think I'm gonna swap the lace out for a black pair of lace. I will show you what it looks like with the pink lace in, but I'm gonna do a lace swap and swap it out with the black lace. And yeah, these are fire. Okay, yeah. So without further ado, let's get into the review of the New Balance 740 South Beach colorway. Alright, cool. So let's go ahead and start with the outsole. So you got that pink outsole with that combination of green. Right here at the heel of the shoe, you got some like little pods right in here. You do have New Balance right here in the middle of the shoe. Moving up to the midsole, you got that green midsole. You got that Absorb cushion that's in the 740. The Absorb cushion is something that it's like kind of like Nike has the Air technology. They have like this Absorb cushion that's in the 740. Let me see if that's coming in clear. You can see the writing right there in like red. And that's what's supposed to make the shoe really comfortable. I can tell you right now, this shoe is like super light, man. Like super, super light. Upper, you got a mixture of that green and black. And you got silver hits, which really make the shoe pop. You got that New Balance, that N for New Balance, and that pink highlighted and that black around the end. You got that 740 moving to the back of the heel to kind of tell you what model this is. Moving around to the front of the shoe, you got like some mesh right here at the toe. And this material, I don't know what type of material it is. It kind of feels like leather, but I'm not sure. Like this black part right here and right in here, it kind of feels like leather, but I'm not sure. Like if you look at the heel of the shoe, this part feels like leather, and then this part, you know, feels like something else. There's a lot of different materials on the shoe, but as you can see on the back, you got the NB right there for New Balance, their logo right there on the back of the heel. This is a fire heel, man. Look how that looks, man. Just look at the shape of the shoe, first of all. Look how this shape is beautiful, and that's what drew me into the shoe in the first place. You know, I mean, it depends on the silhouette most of the time, but if a shoe shape is something I like, and I know, judging by the shape, it'll fit good and it'll look good on my foot, then, you know, 9 times out of 10, I'm gonna try it out just to see, get in the hand, just to see how I like it. Moving around to the front of the shoe, you got pink laces, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and swap these out with black laces. See here, let me see if I can get, let me loosen this up a little bit so I can see if I can show you a good view of the tongue. Let's see here. All right, here we go. So on the tongue, you got that New Balance right there at the top. You got 740 right there written in that, what is that, that's silver? Yeah, well, it's silver highlighted in that pink. And then you got the black covering the back of the writing. Fire, man, that green teal tongue. Yeah, that's fire. Then right here, if you look closely, you should see New Balance right there again. It's similar in that silver, that's making it pop off that black. You look at the shape of the toe box. You got the mesh right here. The whole toe box is mesh, so you got to worry about any creasing or anything like that. But just look at the shape of it, man. It's a nice round, you know, wide toe box. It's probably gonna add to comfort. Looking at the medial side of the shoe, you got some highlights right here in that silver. I do like this part right here where it looks like it almost looks like it's scraped, but then it starts to fade right there at the front of the toe cap. You got another mesh breathable hole right there in the toe cap. Tuck the laces in a little bit. Medial side of the shoe, pretty much same as the lateral side, but I mean, you look at the design, man, it's just a nice, beautiful shoe, in my humble opinion. You do get shoe paper with this pair. On the back of the tongue, you got the New Balance specs and everything. What's going on, your size and tag, things of that nature. Inside, you got a black insole, and you got that New Balance right there in the inside of the insole. And that's pretty much it of the shoe. That's pretty much the review. Y'all go ahead and comment down below, man. What do y'all think about this pair? I mean, just the silhouette in general. And you can see, now that I look at it here, I took the paper out of the shoe, and you can actually see through the mesh. So this is a very breathable shoe. Perfect for summertime. You let your feet breathe. You won't have to worry about getting an athlete's foot or anything like that. And you know, comment down below what do you think about this silhouette. Not necessarily the colorway, just the silhouette. Are you rocking with the 740s? I know they had a couple collabs that came out. I'm new to New Balance all in general, so I'm just, you know, finding out about the different models and things of that nature. But yeah, I want to see really what they look like with the black lace swap, and eager to put these on foot. Like I said, this is my first time ever owning this silhouette, man. I love the shape of it. I love how light this shoe is. I love the colorway, the South Beach colorway. Can't go wrong with that. And speaking of the South Beach colorway, let me go ahead and bring out, you know, the shoe that kind of started that whole South Beach colorway wave real quick, and I'll be right back. So as you can see, this is the same pretty much color blocking as the LeBrons. Pretty much the same. As far as down to the pink, the color of the pink that's on the shoe, to the green and the black as well. So, you know, which one you rocking with? I mean, you know, of course you're gonna say LeBrons, but you know, I'm rocking with both of these, man. These are both fire, in my humble opinion. So as far as sizing on the shoe, I would say these fit true to size. So like I said, my low tops, I'm pretty much a size 10, so I went with my true to size 10, and these fit really well. I didn't have any heel slippage. I didn't feel any pressure in the top of the toe box or anything like that. These fit very, and I will say they are super comfortable. I mean, comfort as you get older is key. I don't really have a problem with a lot of my Jordans. You know, I've been wearing them for years, so I guess my feet kind of molded to, you know, the silhouettes. But I will say this pair here is a light shoe, and it's super comfortable. It's one of them shoes where you can wear it all day and wouldn't have any problems with your feet. So that's my size recommendation. I would say go true to size. And also, here's the beautiful thing about this silhouette. There's a bunch of different colorways right now that are available in stores. So you can go into a store and actually try the shoe on before you buy it. If they don't have the color blocking in that store, just try the shoe on, find out what your size is, and then order it online. So with that being said, I want to jump into the on feet. Like I said, comment down below, let me know what you think about this silhouette. You know, I do know that the New Balances and the Asics, that's the wave right now. I just wanted to jump outside my comfort zone and just try something new. Sometimes you got to try something new and you know, see how it goes. So let's get into the on foot. Thank you for, if you stayed this far in the video, thank you for the support. I appreciate it. Like, comment, subscribe, share the channel. And until the next video, I'm out.
Dying one.
Rob. Rachmaninoff.
I know. The way I'm dipping steps so fresh, they call me Manny. Plus the crossover so cold, it come in handy. Every day I shoot a movie, call me Stanley. Can't walk a mile off in my shoes if you can't stand me. So exclusive, this only for friends and family. We up on sneaks and they so geek, we high on fashion. What's up, what's happening? I'm extra fresh out the package, shipping and handling. Life in 4D, I'm an OG like Jordan 03, yeah. It's getting OC, the fashion on me, they tryna clone me, yeah. Shot the DE for the 3P, I'm like Kobe, yeah. The passion feed me, yeah. I know you see me, yeah. Dying one. I'm so white, this world, they say I'm gone. About to eat the game up like a one time. Done. I'm done one. I'm so white, this world, they say I'm gone. About to eat the game up like a one time. Done.